guys, I just want to show you my cars. There's this little 36, you know. There's macaroni one. There's this is one of my favourites. This one is awesome. Hang on a second. Wait, I'm gonna be seconds. Just gonna wait. Here we go. No, this isn't one. This isn't my favourite one. One of them. I'm just gonna get my other one. Stick in the back in the box. 2 sticks. Come on. And then the next video is I found. I might show you what I found in the skip outside Leah's house. Here's the other one. One of you comment in the comment section if this is a real one of them things. One of just the or things like that. Because I just don't know. It doesn't really look real. It looks like one of those rubbishy shoes. Wait, here's another one. Wait. Oh, it always does that. Here we go, nearly there. There we go, baby. Here. Right, here we go, here we go. This, the Times. It's awesome, like literally, dudes. It's really nice. I mean, like, I will give you, like, an extra look at this, like, now. And I've got this unboxing box. It's a really dog. There's this really cute dog today. And, it was called Ellie. Yeah, that's what I don't remember it. But it was at the gate. And, really cute dog. It's half Jack Russell and half Jack Russell, half Chihuahua, I think. Yeah, but it's like a fox, but like she's like 15 years, maybe about 50. That in dog years is, well, whatever you think it is. Oh yeah, these are my goldies. Pretty sick. I used to your collection. Yeah, no stereo. Okay. What? Bye guys. Oh yeah, and this is.